How to delete Etoro account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Etoro account. In order to delete your Etoro account, it's a very simple process. So first thing first, make sure that you are logged into your account and also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now that you're logged into your Etoro account, scroll down in the left hand side bar and you'll be able to locate an option as settings. Go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you click the settings button here, you can see this kind of interface. So over here you need to go to privacy. Once you tap on it, you need to go ahead and select the close account button, and then you'll be receiving a pop-up menu, something like this, where you need to go to the statement and click the continue button if you're sure about closing your account. Since you're closing or deleting your account, you'll have to give a reason for it. So go ahead and select the valid reason and click the continue button. And lastly, you'll be receiving a notification stating that this following information and all sort of details will be erased when you are actually deleting your account. So if you're sure about it, then click the confirm button, and as soon as you've done that, you've successfully deleted your Etoro account. So in that way you can delete your Etoro account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.